I can take you to my car. I did not take anything at all.
That's fine. We're gonna go to your car.
Okay, come on.
Let me just check that out of the pocket.
Go ahead, sir. I did not take any glasses. I promise you.
You're on video taking.
Yeah,
I can
but
see
I
the
put the
video.
glasses back, sir.
Doesn't matter. You're on video taking him. Where's?
On January 21st, 2025, officers in Naples, Florida, responded to Coastland Center Mall after a Sunglass Hut employee reported an act of theft. What followed was a 13-minute encounter, a felony charge, and over $2,000 in recovered merchandise. The real issue here is not whether the glasses were returned. It is what was found in her pocket that changed the entire legal picture.
Where's it? Open this bag.
There's nothing inside this bag at all. It's my stuff. Check.
No, sir. We're gonna go out to the car.
Okay.
Let's see. Where are you parked over at?
I'm taking you. I don't really know the area. So.
All right, go out this way then. We're going out this way because I have another officer coming.
Way far, like way far.
Well, we can walk around. Here, go out this way. Can you ask him if he'll sign a sworn statement for the sunglasses since we don't have them and see if he'll press charges?
You're gonna have to walk this way.
Okay.
It's not right.
What kind of car is it?
It's an alternate.
Can they meet you over here?
She's inside the mall. The car is open. I just said we could have walked that way.
Do you have ID on yours? You said it's in the car?
Yeah.
Where's the vehicle? In the parking garage?
I let you search all of my stuff. I don't have any glasses. Where you at? Oh, no, this means I took glasses. I don't take no fucking glasses. So if I don't find no glasses, I can leave, right? Because I don't have any glasses.
No.
Number 1 of Charlie 60.
So,
I don't have any glasses.
you're on video putting the glasses in your jacket.
Glasses back,
They're not in the store.
yes, they are in the store. I put the glasses back.
So if they want to press charges, then they can press charges.
After you press charges, then I
After the glasses.
So that's the thing about it.
You're on video taking the glasses and walking out of the store with them.
I did not walk out the store with the glasses. Did you come out of it?
Going north on North Shore.
Where's your vehicle?
She moved the car.
Okay, come over here. Put your bags up there. You hang up the phone right now.
I'm gonna call you back.
Turn around. Put your phone up on that car.
Can I at least let you search the car and she's gonna come back around with the car?
Come back around.
I don't have
Give me a second.
30 Duncan, correct. 30 Fuck you.
Give me a second.
No, I'm saying, can I make a call to my grandma? Let her know what's going on at least so she can get my
Vehicle and go to the
Yeah, but I want to.
I want to come out there with you. I'm not going to do anything but come out there at all.
Just turn your hand inward. There you go.
At least let me make a phone call to my grandmother.
Okay,
Please.
you can wait. You have anything on us that's going to poke us,
No,
stick us, or
not
anything
at
like
all.
that? Okay.
Can I at least make a phone call, sir?
Turn in a
I just
minute.
want to let my grandmother know.
Yeah.
Please.
I know what that is, so.
Yeah, I know what that is.
So you will be arrested for that alone.
Do you have anything with you?
No. Can I at least make a phone call, sir?
Yeah, why don't you make a phone call to whoever has the vehicle to come over here to get your ID? Yeah, just put it in.
Can I give you my name?
Yeah.
Can I at least make a call? So that my grandma can get my kids here?
You want her programmer?
At least so she can get my kids, please.
Can you look at her
keys?
phone?
My kids. They're at a friend house, please.
What's your first name?
JABON
Javon
SHAYE
Shaye.
DAVIS.
He stopped me from Sunglass Hut. She took 2 pairs on video, put them in her pockets, walked directly out of the store, so she doesn't have them. So she probably met with someone passing by and handed them off. That's why one of the other girls to come in that vehicle. And we want to see what vehicle they're driving because she fits the same description that's been stealing Coach purses in the mall. But she also had the burglary device on her. So no matter what, I'll charge her with this.
So the people from the Texas 28.
Yeah, I don't know if that's part of it or not.
Because
I was trying to get.
You took a report.
You said it was a what? Ford Edge or something, or a Ford Escape?
It was a Volkswagen SUV. Four door. That's the three that I had last week. Run out of Macy, and that's the pictures.
It looks the same.
It's like the same, right? We have
But she's saying she had a Altima. Yeah, the problem is she doesn't have ID, and I want her ID because she could be given anyone's name.
Do you think he'll let me make a call?
No, we don't.
Really?
That's not a thing, no. When you get to jail, if that's whatever decision they may take, that's when you make a phone call in there.
I'm talking about now so that I can have my grandmother pick up my kids, please.
I'm not. What I'm trying to tell you is I'm not the officer. It's him. He already told you to wait, so just you have to wait for him, okay?
Okay.
We're waiting to see if they want to press charges.
Okay.
Maybe they don't. They don't. You know how they are. So if they don't, there's nothing to do. So I'm just doing this just in case.
Yeah, get it over with.
You heard the one in Sector 1?
Yeah.
That was wild.
I know. I didn't know which way to go. I was like, if he's left on Gulf Shore, should I go to that? Or...
I had the other guys coming here. They were going to take it from me, but then the other one came out, and the guy hit him the son with bills.
So, let me see.
They've been doing this for weeks now.
I know. You know, Pink usually presses charges.
I'm telling you, if you're not going to press charges, don't call us. I'm not going to waste that time.
My ID? 305. You put me in as deputy? No. We're not the county. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I know.
Central 504.
Ready for you. What's going on?
You're so nice, huh?
Yeah.
And I was heading this way, and then they had that other thing, so I couldn't ask you questions.
No, that's fine.
So,
Hold on a second. Can you guys send someone to Pink for me?
Pink?
Or Louis, or what is it?
Yeah.
Victoria's Secret, I guess. And see, she
had no receipts.
About midway through, Davis is in handcuffs and the officer finds a magnetic security tag remover on her person. Under Florida Statute 810.06, any person carrying an instrument with intent to defeat a security device commits a third-degree felony. A magnetic tag remover has no lawful use for a shopper, and courts treat possession in a retail setting as sufficient to infer intent. Still, Davis said she had no idea what it was. That defense gets raised, and it is exactly what the trial will turn on. That said, the officer confirmed the charge would stand whether or not the sunglasses were ever found. Locking in the burglary tools count independent of the theft count is what determines whether this case holds at trial.
Oh, she steps out.
Yeah, she tried to pop it off. So, can you see if she will?
Is she paid for it?
Well, no, she has no receipt of it.
Oh, okay.
So let me photograph those real quick first, and then if you can, see if they want to press charges. If they do, just let us know. We'll send an officer in there to do a sworn statement. But I don't know if this is the only thing. She could have taken a lot more stuff, but. Yeah, I know. Well, that's what I'm thinking. As soon as they left Sunglass Hut, they probably did a side swipe. So she's not called with the product. And he got me immediately. I was having to be right there.
I didn't know which way to go. So, We don't know yet for your first charges.
Well, I have her anyway for burglary device.
From Sunglass.
Oh, okay.
So she had this on her anyway. So I'll get her for that.
It's a like anti-shoplifting device.
Yeah, just to pop the magnets off.
You had that on?
Yeah, that was in her pocket. She said she didn't know what it was. Then out here, she said she did know what it was.
Well, can you re-advise?
Yep. This is from Nike, but you guys, what is it?
It's automatic.
Negative.
It didn't.
Yeah. But there's no price tag on it, so she ripped the price tag off of them. I'm assuming you get out of. That's what I think it is.
Anti-shoplifting device is
What all it does
like
is
a catch-all.
it is a heavy magnet just to pop it off.
Just say that.
November 7th.
Anti-shoplifting, you know.
Did you send someone already?
No, I mean,
Oh yeah.
Number is going to be
What's that?
207.
all right, coming back.
Thank you, sir. What's that?
Do you need a proper receipt? Sorry.
Yeah, because I have hard evidence.
You got any proper receipts available? If not, I got to get in there.
I mean, I could do that. I could do that at the station. I can do it at the station.
You're going to take it? You guys close it?
I don't know. Shitfish always calls me, and I have to take it when I'm on the road. But no, but
Yeah. It's usually because you're
I'm here. But
you've been here all day.
yeah, they made me come in early.
See, you were in about getting out of 5.
No, I messed up and came in the wrong time. I wish to press charges.
On behalf of what's out there,
You don't even have to do that. Just I wish to press charges.
it's just being trespassed.
Yeah, she'll be trespassed from the mall
31.
indefinitely.
Thank you.
Yep. What I'm going to do is just sign this real quick, and then if you want a photo of this for yourself real fast,
Yeah, I can do that.
this way you have the case number and stuff on it.
Did you reach out to the original phone central?
And my information will then be on it. So yeah, it's going to be theft, burglary, device. Yeah, two counts of theft.
So theft. Sorry for theft. Because at the end of
Yeah, it's retail theft, and burglary device. Can you roll the window down real quick? Is that your friend that has the car?
No, that's my cousin.
Okay.
Can I please call my grandmother? I just want to let her know to get my kids, please.
Yeah, you gotta wait.
Could you loosen the cuffs for me?
No, they have one finger in between. They don't get any looser than that.
Do you take any medications or anything?
No. Ma'am, I really need the cuffs loosened, please.
I'll let him know. He already told you. If there's a finger in the middle, there's not much we can do.
But if you look at it, if you look at my wrist, it's a long big cut on my wrist.
Do you take any drugs?
No, I don't.
Have you made any suicidal statements?
No.
Do you have any hallucinations?
Huh?
Do you have any hallucinations?
No. Sir, could you please loosen the cuffs? If you look at my wrist, you will see them. Please, could you please loosen the cuffs for me?
No. Policy is one finger in between, and that's.
But if you look at my wrist, you can tell that it's a bit. I had surgery on my wrist. It's a really big long cut on my wrist.
Yeah,
It goes from my wrist to my hand.
It's on with the proper spacing in between.
But I can't even move my wrist at all. It's sitting right onto my bones.
No, they're handcuffs.
Any drugs or weapons on you, ma'am?
Under Florida Statute 812.014, theft is complete at the moment merchandise is concealed with intent to deprive the merchant. Davis admitted she put the glasses in her jacket. Her defense was that she returned them, but the law does not reset on the return. Davis voluntarily opened her bag and no glasses were found. Under Schneckloth versus Bustamonte, a search given freely is constitutionally valid. The empty bag did not clear her. It simply meant the merchandise was unaccounted for, consistent with a handoff to a companion. Under Terry versus Ohio, surveillance footage of a person concealing merchandise is enough for a lawful investigative detention. Florida Statute 812.015, the merchant's privilege, also gives store employees authority to hold a suspected shoplifter for a reasonable time without civil liability. A second item turned up on Davis: Nike merchandise with no price tag and no receipt. Officers flagged a pattern of similar incidents at the mall. Florida Statute 812.019 addresses organized retail theft, with enhanced penalties when 3 or more individuals coordinate a scheme. Davis repeatedly asked to call her grandmother to arrange care for her children. Officers told her to wait. Under Florida Statute 901.25, the right to a phone call applies after booking, not during street-level processing. While defensible, denying it created tension with no tactical upside. Davis reported a surgical scar on her wrist and said the cuffs pressed directly onto it. The officer cited standard policy. Under Graham versus Connor, a specific medical complaint requires a documented response, not just a policy citation. The failure to inspect or document that complaint is the kind of gap that shows up in a civil filing. The store employee pressed charges and signed a sworn statement. Combined with surveillance footage, that gave prosecutors a clean path to a felony case. The officer also issued a permanent trespass from the mall. Under Florida Statute 810.08, any future presence on that property becomes a separate criminal offense. The officer made the right call at every legally significant point, identified the booster device, charged it separately, secured the statement, and controlled the scene. The one gap was the handcuff complaint. Policy compliance is not the same as a documented response. Davis cooperated with the search, did not resist arrest, and stayed composed. But she kept talking. Every statement about the glasses, returning them, not having them, not knowing about the device, handed the prosecution additional material. The Fifth Amendment exists precisely for this situation. Lesson 1. Returning stolen merchandise does not undo the crime. Under Florida Statute 812.014, theft is complete at concealment. If the intent was there, the charge holds. Lesson 2. A booster device in your pocket is a felony on its own. Under Florida Statute 810.06, possession of the tool is enough. The merchandise does not have to be found. Lesson 3. If you are detained, stay silent. Invoking that right before a single explanation is the only move that costs you nothing and protects everything. If there is an interaction or a legal topic you want covered, drop it in the comments.